It is finally that time. We just got absolutely blessed across a bunch of brokerages with 3 new IPOs. Number 1 being Gemini, which I've been talking about. Klarna, number 2, the company where you can pretty much finance anything, even Chipotle. And 3, Figure Technology Solutions. So just to start off, IPOs are speculative and they're risky, so make sure you enter at your own risk and know it's not guaranteed money. Although a lot of them have been successful recently, it's not impossible that they open up right. But out of all 3, the number 1 IPO I'm going to be buying is still Gemini. So just to keep this short, this is a crypto exchange IPO. It's not crypto, but it's a crypto exchange. This, I think, has the most upside potential on day 1. It's going to be impossible to be able to predict it 100%, but this is the one I'm going to be buying up the most of. I have another video if you want to watch that goes into more detail about this, but these crypto IPOs have so much demand, especially right now with crypto being so hot. Also, I love its pricing. Currently at $17 to $19, it'll probably raise, but that's a very good pricing compared to these other IPOs. If this were to go to $100 at this price, that would be a 5x. Number 2 is going to be Figure Technology Solution. Again, I'm loving the pricing of this one, very similar to Gemini. It'll probably raise, but there's definitely a lot of upside potential on this pricing and the company in general. This is pretty much a fast and online HELOC and loan platform that then pipes those loans into a blockchain-based marketplace. That marketplace is then used to fund and trade these loans. Overall, from a business perspective, I really like this company. I think it's the most well put together, and I really am interested in the idea behind it. This will be listed on the NASDAQ along with Gemini. And lastly, it's going to be the Klarna Group, or Klarna Group, however you say it. This one is the only one I'm not sure that I'll be buying into. I definitely think it has potential to do really good. It's a big company, but at the same time, I'm skeptical on a few things. And also, its pricing, I think, has the least amount of growth potential. If all these IPO prices stayed the same and this was to go to $100, that would be just over 100% return, while the other 2 would be a 500% return. This is just a platform where pretty much you buy now, pay later on anything you can think of. However, the numbers on this company aren't the best. Outside of that though, this is already a major company that's been running, and they have many major names behind them. Now overall, I think all 3 of these have a lot of potential to perform well, but if I was trying to maximize my profits, I'm probably just sticking with the first 2. Now another thing I've noticed on Robinhood, you can flip these IPOs. You have the option to, but it does say you will get restricted. But what I've noticed is many people are not getting restricted at all. However, if you want to just play the safe, or let's say that you do get restricted, I highly recommend just having a few brokerages where you request shares for all these IPOs. For example, maybe one IPO do it on Robinhood, another IPO do it on Webull, or whatever it is that works for you. That way you have a higher chance of getting your shares filled, and you also have a backup in case you get restricted on something. Now I've told you guys pretty much everything that I'm going to do, but the one thing is I'm not going to be able to post a video as this is live. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm doing, I would strongly recommend you to join my Discord group, as the last IPOs, I've been able to go over them completely live and make sure my community has maximized profits. You can join that through the link in my bio.